Students, being a student learning company law, you must aware of this following terms I'm mentioning. Books of Accounts, Section 213 of the Companies Act 2013 describes what is a books of accounts. You must have knowledge what is meant by books of account. Books of account includes records maintained in respect of all sums of money received and expended by a company and matters in relation to which receipts and expenditure takes place. All sales and purchases of goods and services by the company. Sales and purchases of goods and service. The assets and liabilities of the company. The assets and liabilities. The items of course as may be prescribed under section 148 in the case of a company which belongs to any class of companies specified under that section. The items of course. Books of accounts includes records maintained in respect of sums of money received and expended by the company, all sales and purchase of goods and services by the company, the assets and liabilities of the company, and items relating to cost. You should also be aware what is meant by book and paper and book or paper. That includes books of accounts. Section 212 of the Companies Act defines what is book and paper and book or paper. That includes books of accounts, deeds, vouchers, writings, documents, minutes, and registers maintained on paper or in electronic form. Book and paper and book or paper may be maintained on paper or in electronic form. In either this form, book and paper or book or paper that is maintained. That includes books of account, deeds, vouchers, writings, documents, minutes, and registers. These documents which are maintained by the company that is included in book and paper and book or paper. Okay, then section 240 of the Companies Act defines what is a financial statement. You must be aware of this term also, financial statement. Financial statement in relation to a company includes a balance sheet as at the end of the financial year, a profit and loss account, or in the case of a company carrying on any activity not for profit, an income and expenditure account for the financial year, cash flow statement for the financial year, a statement of changes in equity if applicable, and any explanatory note annexed to or forming part of any document referred in subclause 1 to subclause 4. Okay. Financial statement includes balance sheet, which is prepared at the end of the financial year of a company. That is, balance sheet of the company is included in financial statements when the balance is prepared at the end of the financial year. Then a profit and loss account. A profit and loss account is also included in financial statements for a company carrying on non-profit activity. That profit and loss account is substituted by income and expenditure account. In such a case, income and expenditure account is included in the financial statements. Then cash flow statement for the financial year and a statement of changes in equity if applicable. The next is any explanatory note annexed to or forming part of any document referred to in subclause 1 to subclause 4. What are the documents referring to in subclause 1 to subclause 4? A balance sheet, a profit and loss account, or income and expenditure account for non-profit organizations, cash flow statement, and statement of changes in equity. With relating to every this said these statements, an explanatory note may be annexed. That explanatory note explanatory note may be annexed to balance sheet of the company that is prepared at the end of the financial year, a profit and loss account, or in case of non-profit organization, income and expenditure may contain an explanatory note containing the matters therein. Explaining about the matters included in the cash flow statements of the company. That includes an explanatory note. A statement that may include an explanatory note attached to it, a statement of changes in equity that may also contains an explanatory note attached to it. That explanatory note attached to any of these documents or any of the statements that is also included in the financial statement in relation to a company. Then you must also note that the financial statement with respect to one-person company, small company, and dormant company may not include the cash flow statement. You must note this point. We haven't discussed what is one-person company, small company, and dormant company yet. We are going to discuss that in the next video. You must remember this term, that the financial statement with respect to one-person company, small company, or dormant company, that may not include cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is not included in the financial statements of the said companies, that is one-person company, small company, and dormant company. Thank you.